this quick video, I want to share with you a brand new method that I've never shared before in any other videos that can help you to make big money online from Reddit. Now, if this is the first time you came across Reddit, basically it's a platform, it's a website that allows you to put up posts and I'll teach you how to make money online, and the earning potential is crazy. Now, this is very easy for new beginners and very simple. I'll show you a couple of steps in this video. All you gotta do, just go and watch this video and follow everything what I show you and just copy me. Now, you don't need any skill or any experience to do this. So real quick, this is how much money you can earn from today's video. Now, first off, if you just do one Reddit post, you earn about $2. Now, it's not a lot of money, but when you do more and more posts, right, 10 posts, $20, and when you add up 30 posts, $60. And this is going to add up very quickly and building a huge passive income using this method today. And this is absolutely free, you guys. You don't have to spend any money at all to get started, and this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, you can use today's method to make money online. And make sure you subscribe to both of my YouTube channels. Go down below and click on the subscribe button right now, and so don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you don't miss out on my daily updates on both of my YouTube channels. So I want you to take a look at this, right? This is the reddit.com. This is the website that we are going to be using today to make money online. But before I'm able to show you everything on this website, I gotta show you the first website. So right now I want you to go on to kickbooster.me. Okay, as you can see here, this is the website kickbooster.me. So basically on this website you can find here a lot of different campaigns, different companies, right, that you can join and actually make money and earn commission online. So I want you to take a look at this, how Kickboosters works for affiliate marketers. So as you can see here, step number one, you have to sign up now. You're gonna click on to become a booster button below, and it takes less than 2 minutes to sign up, and it is completely free. Right, this is absolutely free. You don't need any money, you don't need any credit card to do this. And again, I'll show you in a moment how to sign up, but again, step number two, you gotta select a campaigns, and I'll show you exactly how to select campaigns and what should you choose and how you can make a lot of money, especially when you combine this website right here with reddit.com. Now you can browse through our marketplace of hundreds of thousands of different campaigns to select the campaigns that you want to promote, and then when you promote them, step number three right here, you can spread this, you can share this unique booster link. Right, this is a special link to other people, to your network, and you can start earning commission for your referrals. So very important, I want you to pay full attention because this is our entire game plan. So first off, we're going to sign up on kickboosters.me. We're going to go on and find a campaign to promote, and then we're going to get our links, and then we're going to put up posts on reddit.com, and then we can earn commission. This is the entire big pictures, but right now we're going to go on to all the details and all the steps in this video. So right now when you come onto this website, I want you to go ahead and click on this get started button on the top right hand corner. Click on this button right here, and then you're going to come onto this page. You can see here kickbooster.me. Get started as. Now there are two categories that you have to select. Now you and I, we are the booster, right? We are the affiliate where we can earn commission. Now all you gotta do is just gonna click on this right here. So right here you're gonna put in your name right here. This could be your username. I'm gonna just put in my username, and then where's your email address? I'm gonna put in my email, and right here choose your referral code, right? Very important because this code right here will be appear at the end of your link. Now very important, you gotta put in something that you can recognize for yourself. So for me, I'm gonna put in Branson Team 1, right? This is my referral code, and then just gonna put in your password and just click on this and then click on submit, right? Very simple process. It could take about 1 to 2 minutes to do this. So the next thing that I want you to do right now is to go back to check your email inbox because they're gonna send you this one, right? Kickboosters account confirmation sent by kickbooster.me. So right here you're gonna receive this activation email. Confirm your account. Hi Branson team, thanks for registering to complete the account setup. Please click the button below to verify your email address. Very important. You're gonna click on this one, this button right here to confirm your account. So once you click on the button, you are able to log in inside your Kickboosters account. As you can see here, this is my dashboard getting started, and you can see here your account has been confirmed. Right, very important. Make sure you check your email inbox. And on top of that, you are going to receive a second email. As you can see here, thanks for being an affiliate. Because right over here, they even show you all the steps that you have to take in order to sign up. Right, as you can see here, step 1 all the way to step 3. Now they even give you some helping documents right here that you can look through, but again, I'll show you everything in this video so that I can save you a bunch of time and you don't have to go through the training right here. So as you can see here, when I log in inside my account in the kickbooster.me, now I can just go and click on the marketplace. So I click on the marketplace right here, and you're gonna see here feature campaign. You're gonna find different projects and different campaigns that you can promote and boost. Meaning you can get your link and you're gonna share them on Reddit, and we're able to make money online and earn commission. So right over here, you can see there are many different categories. For example, design, everyday carry, fashion, food, and health. There's so many things that you can promote and make money on this opportunity. So right over here, you can see sort by. Now when you click on the down arrow here, you can sort by most funded ending soon or commission from high to low. So from my personal strategy, I will select our latest pick. Because when you sort by our latest pick, you can see the top recommended program by this website on the marketplace. Because this is the hottest offer, this is the most recommended offers, and that's going to help you to save a lot of time to do your own research, and you can find the best campaign to be able to promote and earn a lot of money online. So right over here, you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of campaigns that you can promote and earn commission online. So real quick, I'm going to give you a real life example on exactly how to do this right now and make money online. So first off, I want you to go down below and click on this boost this campaign. Okay, click on this link below this image, click on this right here, and then you're going to come onto this page. As you can see here, oh snap, great, right? How smart people use smartphone. Now you can promote this campaign, right? And then you can earn 10% commission. As you can see here, be rewarded with 10% commission for every dollar that you help to raise for this campaign. So when you scroll down below, you can see here, share your campaign URL. So this is going to be the link that you have to share on Reddit, and you can make money online, and I'll show you all the steps in this video. But again, you can just go and highlight everything and just copy this link, or you can just click on this little icon here. You can see copy, right? Copy your link, and then we're going to be using later on in this video. I'll show you how to use them on Reddit. But again, I'll show you when people click on this link, right? They're gonna go onto this page. As you can see here, oh snap, great, right? This campaign right here, and you can see here over 300,000 already being gathered on this campaign, meaning that this is working right now. This is working so well, and you're able to make a lot of money by promoting this same campaign. So whenever you share this campaign, you share your link, and then when people click on your link, they're gonna come onto this website, and then they're gonna go ahead and watch this video, and eventually, if they are interested, they're gonna go on and click on this green button, right? Back this project, and then they're gonna put in their fund inside this project. For example, $15 or more. Now every money that they put in, you're going to earn 10% commission. So as you can see here, be rewarded 10% commission for every dollar that you help them to raise for the campaign. So what I want you to do is to go on to reddit.com. Okay, go onto this website right here, and you're going to go and click on this blue button, sign up, right? Click on this button right here, and then you're going to come up to this page. By having a Reddit account, you can join, vote, and comment on all of your favorite Reddit content. So you just have to put in your email address right here and just click on the next button. So right over here, you can start posting on the Reddit website, and you can get so many votes, so many clicks, and so many views on your post. So right here, when you go onto the Reddit, on the top you can see this is a search bar. So right here, I want you to type the keyword, which is mobile phone. Right, mobile phone, and you're going to press on search. And the reason why we're going to focus on the mobile phone category, because as you can see here, there are a lot of communities. For example, this one technology community, this one Android, this one iPhone community, over 2 million members, over 8 million members. You are going to get so many views and so many clicks on your campaign. Now when people click on them, they're going to go and see here how smart people use smartphone. Right, they are more interested and look into this post, and they eventually going to put in their money into this fund, and then you're going to earn 10% commission by doing that. So right now, I'm going to give you my personal supercharged Reddit post that you can put it on Reddit. As you can see here, this is a Reddit post number 1. Now, heard of the oh snap. Well, this is a campaign right here, and you can just literally copy everything of this campaign, and you can just put in the last link right here. Feel free to learn more. Now, this is your link right here. This is your campaign URL, which I showed just now. This is your unique campaign URL. You can just copy this link or just click on this copy button. And you can just go back to this Reddit post, this template right here. When you scroll down below, you just have to put your link right here. Just delete this one and just put your link right here. This is as simple as that. Now, as you can see here, this is your referral code, right? Branson Team 1, this is my referral code. Now, when people click on this link, they're going to come onto this page. And when people buy something on this campaign, you're going to earn 10% commission. And as you can see here, there's so many campaigns that you can join on a Kick Booster website. And you can earn commission over and over again, especially when you combine to Reddit. But this is a very powerful community. And when you use my proven script right here, you can just change your URL link at the bottom, and you're going to get so many clicks and so many views, and you can earn a lot of commissions online. So if you want more videos about making money online, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to both of my YouTube channels. As you can see here on the left, click on the subscribe button right now. Now if you want an even better way to make money online, I've pre-selected 2 videos right here. Make sure you check them out right now. Just click on the videos and go ahead and watch the playlist, and I'll see you on the inside.